Hello, my lovelies. We don't have much to harvest today, my lovelies. Let's just go in the garden. We're going to be foraging. We're going in there. We don't know what's ready. We have no idea what we're gonna get today, but we're just going in there and just forage. Like I said, just look for, see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. I know there's something in the garden that we can harvest, but let's just go in and see what we can find. Let me see this. This is an Almanian cucumber that's growing up here. I need to harvest this. It's young, but we're going out of town. So I need to harvest this. There's another one here, but I'm going to leave this for my brother to harvest and take it home because he'll be coming in here to, oh, there's a flight. Always. He'll be coming in here to take care of the garden when we leave. There are a lot of tomatoes that are getting ready. This is my snow white tomatoes that I like to snack in when I come in the garden. It is super sweet. These tomatoes are super sweet. And there's a lot to harvest, as you can see. I've already harvested some and put it in the basket, but like I said, we're coming in here and just look for food, see what we can have today and harvest. So I'll be harvesting this. I have a butternut squash here. This is the butternut squash right here. You can see it is looking amazing, but I'm not going to harvest this until we come back home. So let's harvest the Armenian cucumber. Oh my God, it's huge. It's not as long as the ones I always harvested. It could have been longer than this, but like I said, we're going out of town, so I'm just harvesting it young. So come with me in the garden. Let's go and see what we can get. Like I said, we're coming in here and forage and see what the garden can provide for us right now. It's not going to be as much as what we usually get when we come in here to harvest right now. I'm just coming in here, stepping in here and see what we can get before we leave. So let's just go ahead and go in the garden. I have some peppers and some black cherry tomatoes here that I can harvest. All of these I'm gonna harvest and then preserve. Because we're not gonna be using them. Because like I said, we're going out of town, so I'm just gonna harvest so we can preserve them. Whatever that's ripened in the garden while we're not here, my brother will come in here and just pick them. I have some eggplants that I can harvest. I think it's only one. Oh, so we have more. We have this one. This is the Black Beauty eggplant. I'm gonna be harvesting this too. They're not big, but I'm gonna be harvesting them before we leave. This is what we have so far. I have a tomato over there that I can pick up, and some corn here. Lots of tomatoes in here. Corn here. It's the small corn. San Marzano tomato. This pepper will get ripened before we come home, maybe in a few days, so I'm just gonna harvest it. That's that. Oh, we have a lot here. Hopefully when I come back home, I won't come to an empty garden or have my plants die. So I'm just hoping that by the time I get back here, there will be a lot of food for me to harvest. Let's pick this eggplant too, because I know it's gonna be big by the time we get back home. So the rest, we just pray to God that they're gonna do better, or no creature will come out here to pick them up. It's hot. Let's go inside. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come out here and harvest their herbs, because I can't harvest them right now. It's really hot. So tomorrow morning, I'll come in here and harvest the herbs. But so far, this is what we have. So this is what I've harvested today, and I am super excited that I came out here to harvest this. It is amazing that we got a basket full of produce, which is amazing. I came here 2 days ago to harvest, and we had 2 baskets full of produce, which I will share that video with you all. I guess you will see that before this one anyway. You'll see that video before this one. So we're going out of town. Every summer we go visit family and friends. Last year, you guys saw, we left here and went and visit my brother, my older brother, and my parents in Maryland, and spent a week with them. So this year we're going to North Carolina to visit my younger brother and his family, and also spend a week with them. We really enjoy connecting with family and have fun with them. My kids are super excited, so we'll go and visit them. But like I said, I wanted to come out here and harvest everything that we needed to be harvested before we leave. I did the same thing last year, and this year we have this much. It is amazing. I'm glad you guys stopped by today to watch this amazing video that I have with you, and I hope to see you all on my next video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for being part of my amazing YouTube family. Thank you for your support. If you're coming to my channel and these are the type of videos that you enjoy, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. YouTube is telling me most of you guys that are coming to my channel are not subscribed. Please do me a favor, help me. You're helping me. Subscription is free. You're helping me, doing me a favor to help my channel to grow. So help me please, and hit the subscribe button, and also share my video with your family and friends. And I hope to see you all on my next video. Till then, stay blessed. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time. Look at this beautiful basket.